Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. So please excuse the way I look. I just got out of the shower. I worked out today. I just finished my workout for today. I did my 10,000 steps. I burned 641 and I did 4.16 miles and it took me an hour and 10 minutes. I try to work out at least 3 days a week and I'm doing it indoors. Y'all know I am a gym girl. I have a membership at a gym and I would go like every day. So this working inside is just like, I don't really like it, but you got to do what you got to do. So workout complete. I have a little hormonal breakout going on right here, which is really getting on my nerve, but I only have a few more days of that, so we'll be okay. But today I plan on doing a little bit of decluttering. I told you guys on a few vlogs back that I had a lot of, you know, different knickknacks like vases and just like home decor stuff that's still in boxes in my closet, like my bathroom closet, my coat closet that I'm not currently using, but I plan on switching some things out, getting rid of the stuff that I don't plan on ever using again, and then some of the stuff that I do plan on using, I'm going to just put all that stuff in a bin. Now I don't have the clear bins that I want to storage all that stuff in, so Tony's gonna stop by the store on his way home and pick up a few of those clear bins for me, so that way I can see exactly what's in the bins. And then, like I said, the stuff that I'm not going to use, I'll just probably either give it to my mom, my brother. I have a big family, so I'll be giving that stuff either to my mom, Ryan, my sisters. Somebody will want it, trust me. Make myself some tea, y'all. I'll have a link in the description box for a tea kettle like this because I get so many questions on my tea kettle, so I'll have something similar in the description box below because I don't think they have this particular brand on Amazon anymore, but I'll leave something for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and make myself some tea. Alright y'all, so I have all of my stuff down here. Let me set something up where I can keep my tea. This is my Christmas stuff. I'm keeping this, but I'm gonna, should I set my tea up there? Because if my tea falls, that would be tragic. Ooh, I don't know about that. Let me give it something to lean on. Okay. This box right here, this is like my cookie molds when I was doing like my strawberries, and sometimes I'll do like chocolate covered Oreos and stuff like that. So I still have all of this stuff that I don't use, but I sometimes use these big ones to make like circle ice cubes, like extra large ice cubes. So I might keep these, but I don't know, we'll see. What else is in this? More molds. This is like the number molds, and I would use these, like sometimes I would put them on the strawberries or on the chocolate covered Oreos. I have the crowns. That's so cute. Just chocolate molds. So this is like my stuff that I was using. This is just something that I literally just set on top of this box. This is my my stuff for my hair. So I'll take this stuff out. What is this? This is like tape. This should have been in my Christmas box. I don't know how it got in this box. Molds, the little stars, so cute. These are some more candy molds. This is like if I had like a little girl, it was her birthday or something, and I wanted to make it look really cute and girly, I would use like these little hearts with the little smiley faces on it. These are just letters. And y'all can find all this stuff at like Hobby Lobby. I might keep this stuff, I don't know. These are like some lip molds. So cute. More numbers. I have like a Chanel mold. This one is like a rose. Can y'all see that? Little bows. Hopefully y'all can see that. And then what is this one? More bows. These are I have some sage in here, which I've been looking for these, so I'm gonna stick that up there. Now these are like some little small pipettes, like if when I was doing my strawberries and somebody wanted like Ciroc or some type of alcohol in their strawberries, I would use these little pipettes. Can y'all see that? Yeah, I would use those. So I have just like this regular ones and then some heart ones. And you can find these like on Amazon. The heart ones are so cute. I used a lot of those during like Valentine's Day, so the bag is almost gone. So I guess I could keep all of this stuff in a box, because you just never know when I decide I want to do something like that for one of my friends' parties or something like that. But I used to sell them. Those of you that don't know, I used to sell strawberries. I'm really good at it, let's be honest, but it just became too overwhelming for me because it grew so fast, and then I just couldn't keep up with me working and everything like that, so I stopped doing it. That is all of the stuff in that box, so I'm gonna keep this stuff because you just never know. All right. Now, oh, I have these little lights. Let's see if the battery works. Look at this. I'm not gonna use this. They're cute though, but I won't be using these. I don't know. We'll see. But should I throw these away? How do you turn this thing off? Oh, here we go. All right, so I got 2 of these. I'll put this in the maybe pile. We'll just sit over here. Oh, my little porcelain dog. If you guys were following me when I was in my other apartment, I had this on my table because this is the dog that I want to get. This dog is so cute, but I don't think I'll be using this. Should I? I don't know. I have a hard time separating from stuff like this because I'm always buying, like y'all know I'm always in Home Goods. I love my little home decor stuff, so I have a very hard time separating with that stuff. Let me drink some tea because this is getting stressful. What is this tissue doing in here? This actually has like a little potpourri bag in it, and then it has the hose right here in the head so that you know you can smell the potpourri. So this is like a lavender scent, but it's so old, child, so I'll probably give this away. This is just a regular little vase. It looks okay. I don't think I'm gonna throw this out. I bought this from Ross for $8.99 because I still have the tag on the bottom. Can y'all see that? So we'll keep that. Then I have 2 little flower candle holders, and this one's broke. I have 2 of these. I'll probably throw these away. I'll throw these out or get these away because I don't see myself using these. I don't know. Yeah, what if I don't want to get rid of none of this stuff? I would be so ashamed because I'm telling y'all, I do that all the time. Like, I don't want to let my stuff go. Okay, So here's something that I probably won't be using. I have 2 of these. It's like, it's just like a silver and clear vase. You probably can't see it. It kind of gives you like cheetah vibes because of the way that the silver is on the vase. It's actually kind of cute, but I don't think I'll be using this. So I have 2 of those, and then inside here is my little clamps for my backdrop that I don't use. I have 3 of these, so I need to put these to the side. And then let me pull this other box. Y'all like looking at all my junk? It's not really junk, but sitting down here with all this stuff, I kind of feel like a hoarder. Oh, I have these 2 vases right here, which I really like. I think I'm going to try to spray these gold. I bought these from, I don't know where I bought these from, maybe Home Goods, but they were $16.99 each. I really like these a lot, so these are definitely staying out. This is more stuff for when I was doing my strawberries and when I was doing my seafood trays, because y'all know when I was working, everybody that was watching my YouTube at my old job, they was like, can you please make us some seafood trays? So I was doing that for a little while, and oh gosh, do y'all remember those videos? I would do like seafood trays for everybody, and this was what I was using for my dips. I would make the dips and stuff like that. Everybody missed those seafood trays, and I made a killing selling my seafood trays, okay? But it just be too much, because everybody just, it'd be too much. And then this is what I use to put like my strawberries in, which I don't use these anymore, but when me and Tony make like our little cupcakes and stuff, so that's why I kept this. This is a shot glass that I think my best friend, my best friend bought me this shot glass back from Costa Rica. I don't know why it's in this, so I need to keep that up there. Oh, this is just something that little Tony made on Christmas, so we'll put that there. Then this is just like boxes and stuff like that I use. This is my bamboo roller when I make my sushi. I actually need to keep this out. This is just like little tops. Oh, tops to my my Ninja Bullet. Oh, look at these. These are like little I don't know what you would call these, but you clamp it on the side of your glass, like on the side of your glass like this, and say like if you want to do like a Corona Rita, because these are actually Coronas. Oh gosh, look. But you want to clip it on the side of your glass, like if you want to do a Corona Rita, and then you have like the beer or whatever on the side of your glass. These are really cute. I ordered these from Amazon a long time ago. I don't even know if I want to keep these now because they say freaking Corona. Like, I don't want them. So yeah, this is just, then I have like a box of coffees from my Keurig. I don't know why I didn't throw these out. Sumatra is my favorite. And then I have some cinnamon roll. These are probably expired. I might need to just go ahead and throw these out. I'm trying to decide on whether I want to get another Keurig, just get like a smaller one, because I'm always in the mood for coffee. And I have a French press, but that thing be getting on my nerve. More decor. Gosh, I have this little giraffe. Now this is just me just buying anything to fill up a space, because like, really? But no, it did match my decor, because I had a little console table in the hallway, and then it had like a whole like safari type theme, like, and I know that's why I got this. I think, I don't know, I'm not gonna use this. Oh yeah, another little picture that I printed out, a little Chanel picture. I'm taking that out, but I'll probably keep the frame. And then these are just like some little candle holders. I love stuff like this, so I won't be using this. This is just another little vase. Yeah, I have so much stuff. It's just too much. So this is another little candle holder. They have a lot of silver. And then these are just like some little random jars. I have 2 of these. And I had like cotton balls and Q-tips in these. And then I have this pretty little cross. I'm keeping this pretty little cross. I got this from Home Goods, I'm sure. But it's so cute. On my fruit. I have this. It still has the candle. This thing is like dusty because it's been in the closet, but look at this. It still has the same candle in it that I had on the table. It's just like a little black bamboo candle. I need to clean these. I love these things. I bought these from probably like Ross. The other one, the bottom of it is turning. This one still has the candle in it. I definitely need to see if I could get like some spray paint and spray paint these. Oh Lord, oh gosh. Let's see. Then I have 2 glass trays. I have this one. I bought this from Home Goods for $16.99. This thing has so much dust on it, but I'm gonna keep this. And then this one, this is probably like my favorite one. Let's see. So I'm gonna keep this one too. I don't know what I'm gonna put in it, but I'm gonna keep it. Now I just have to wait for my husband to come home with the bin so I could put this stuff away and, you know, get some type of control over my life. So this is a mess. And oh, that's right there, that is Christmas stuff, so I didn't take that stuff out, but I have to wait for Tony to bring the bins and then I could put some of the stuff away. And I don't know, I need some help. I need some help, y'all. So I have a little headache. I did eat a little bit, but I guess I need to fix me something to eat because I have a headache. I still have some packages over there that I bought from Crate and Barrel. Some new bowls and some cute little glasses, but I don't want to take them out yet because I have a lot of stuff in my cabinets that I want to throw out. So I'm going to keep that stuff in the box for right now. And then let's come over here. Excuse my washing machine because I'm washing my son's comforter. But I still have this stuff over here. I'm not keeping all of this stuff at all, just some of it. So some stuff I'm gonna get rid of. Some stuff I'm just gonna put in a storage bin and just, you know, just get it out of my face because I can't stand to look at it anymore. But I really like these a lot. And I plan on trying to spray paint these gold. Hopefully I can find like metallic gold paint because I've never done that before. So y'all let me know in the comments because I've never done it before. And yeah, all of this stuff right here, I'm over that. I'm just over it.